Cole says it's farm life. I say it's fucked. But either way, it's the way it goes, I guess. Welcome back to another video here at Always Doing Something here at the Wallen Farm. Got some good news and some bad news to tell you guys. The good news is we got rid of Darren, the big old black rooster. I would have recorded it, but I couldn't even come down here without him attacking me. But the bad news is that Darren, the big black rooster, that's the reason why, what was his name? Top Gun, whatever. His name was Top Gun. Maverick, his name was. Sorry to say, but that's why Maverick had no feathers. But looks like Darren won because Darren pushed Maverick into the pond and killed him. So we got rid of Darren finally. It's a little sad around here. Still exciting though. I'm about to show you because Sam, you know, he likes to attack me. But he's cute though and doesn't hurt too bad. So let's go inside and I'm gonna show you guys our empty pond and show you what's going on today. So stay tuned. Let's go inside. I'm gonna flip this camera around so you guys can see Sam. All right, Sammy, you ready? All right, look, Sam's right here at the door. He doesn't want to let me in. Oh, I told you. Sammy. Oh, you hear Larry? All right, well, let me show you guys. Here's the pond. Pretty sad. We got a couple fish left in there I got to get out. I'll just feed them to the chickens probably. Here's the babies. These suckers are getting big. They eat a lot and they're growing fast. And see, we definitely got some happy birds. I mean, look at all those eggs in there. Right here, here's another aviary right here I'm building right here. I'm gonna put all the chickens in there. No more drowning chickens. Except it, I gotta walk by. This is what I gotta deal with when I come in here, but it's, whoa, but it's fun. Sammy, relax, dude. Chill out. I swear my boot must look like a chicken. Look, all the other chickens are wonderful. Got Mama Angel right here. Watch this. Boop, 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 boop. You got Meemaw right here. Here's Meemaw. She's wonderful. This is Angel, Mama Angel right there. Look, I can't even get by. Come on, chill out. Chill out. Hey, hold on, bud. I gotta get out and get you some more water. Oh, I haven't even got him out yet. You trying, huh? Right here, you guys. Mealworms. They're like Scooby snacks right here. Here. Oh. Check it out. Here, man. Good girl. Good girl. I've never done that before. So good, you don't even hurt. That's so good. That's so good. good, Larry. I crush it up a little bit in my hand. I just crush them.
Yeah, they can eat them.
I just break them up smaller.
They're big enough now. Oh, Sam.
This is the only time Sam won't attack me. Sucks. They were, oh, you need some more, Larry? Come here, Larry. Here, Larry. Oh, good girl, Larry. Whoa, you dickhead! Why you gotta be like that? At least do that in the camera. You're gonna be a dork, be a dick in the camera. Here, Larry. Come here, Larry. Come here, Larry. Come here, Larry. Come here, Larry. Look, you left. Come here, Larry. Come here, sweetie. Well, a little bit before you, Churro. That's it, guys. Till tomorrow. Man, thank God Darren left. I hated coming down here these last couple days. But now it's back to normal. We're just missing one of our birds, but you know, I don't know what to say. It's fuck. Nicole says it's farm life. I say it's fucked. But either way, it's the way it goes, I guess. Hopefully with one of these babies in here, we get a new Maverick. We'll never get a new Maverick though, but either way, if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Hit that bell so you can get all the latest uploads. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Thanks for watching. Like always, hope you're having a wonderful day.